What's good, YouTube? I'm back with another video, and today I have an unboxing from Nike. You see the tape. I really don't hit on Nike on sneakers app that much, but I hit on these. And we got a orange box. And we have Nike Air Fear of God 1. You have Fear of God on the top right there. A Nike check, like a glossy finish. The bottom. You got the SKU right there. On the box cover, you do get this bag. You get this black tote bag. It got Fear of God right there. Air Fear of God. It feel like a real sturdy bag. Got the mesh, and then you have this part that's inside of there. I guess this is to bring the shoe, or I guess this is to bring the shoe in, the whole box, because it's a pretty big box. So you do get that. And you have the Air Fear of God silver packaging. I'm gonna open that when I get up close. Got a Nike check on the back. When I'm doing an up close review, I'm gonna open this and show y'all what's inside. You got the orange paper. And then you have the shoe. Wrap in this silver foil. And you have and you got the Fear of God one in all black. Nike. Alright, I'm gonna get up close and show y'all what these look like. Alright, so let me give y'all an up close look of what's inside the bag. Gotta tear it. Does have a seal on it. Okay. Alright, so you have a cream color. You have Air Fear of God on the lace lock in black. This is like a peach type color. Then you have this. All of them say Air Fear of God on the top of it. And this is more like a really dark gray. And then you have the black, which is translucent. You can see it's like a smoked out translucent black. And this one is solid. You do have the end tag, a clear end tag. Got Ear Fear of God on one side, and then you have the Nike check on the other. And it does come with 3 sets of laces. You have the beige color lace, and you also have a cream color, and then you have the black that's already in the shoe. I think most likely gonna keep it with the all black. Looks better to me. Now let's get to the shoe. On the bottom, you have an all black bottom with a translucent heel tab right here with a double stack ear unit. You have the Nike check in black coming through the smoked out gray. You can see on the side right here, you got that smoked out gray, you got the ear unit. On the back, you have Fear of God. Then you have the Nike with the check. You have the zipper. On the side of the zipper, it says Fear of God right there. And Nike on the other side. Then you have this soft material. You do got some glue that's see-through. It's kind of like a translucent rubber. So behind it, you can see is like glue, but this looks like a marker. It looks like a thumbs up. So hit the thumbs up for this video. You got a black metallic, you got a black glossy Nike check on the lateral side. Then you have Ear Fear of God right here on the midsole, and then you have some number right here. I think this is supposed to be his father's dog tag number. Then in the front you have the suede. This suede got a little bit of tumble to it. And then you do have the 3M hit around the toe box. I'm gonna show y'all that with that. I'm gonna show y'all what that looked like before the video end. Same thing on the medial side. On the inside, on the zip, I recommend y'all be careful with the zip. You don't want the zip breaking off. Okay, on the inside you have this heel collar to support your heel, I guess, or your ankle. In suede, you can see you got that color shift on it. Then behind that, you have Ear Fear of God on this suede material. And then you have the size right here in black, man's 9. On the insole, actually the sock liner is also suede. And then you have the size tag all the way down there. Can't really see it. You have an orange insole. And I think you have, let's see, I don't know what's that. You got some other numbers on the insole. I don't know if y'all can see. It's 06, 10, 24, and 25. That's on the insole right there. Come with this paper insert. Let me see if I could take the insole out. Okay. You got an orange insole with like a suede type texture on the top. And the tag is actually on the insole. So you got the tag right here. And this is the number that I was talking about that's on the insole. Underneath the insole, you got the full length ear unit. The full length zoom ear right there. All the way. So you could feel it when you walk. And I think the heel got the double stack. The Other foot, same thing. Black rope laces. The only thing that they could have kept consistent, though, in my opinion, this one got that tumbled look on the suede. You can see. And then this one is more like kind of smooth. You got a little bit of tumble right there, but it's not like identical to this one. They should have kept it consistent and identical for this price. All right, so I'm gonna show y'all what the 3M look like, and then we're gonna get to the on foot. Also, I give y'all 2 lace options of how you can wear it. I put the lace lock on it and I wrap it around, bring it to the front, put the lace lock, rock it like that. Or you can just put the lace lock and tie it. Either way, let me know how y'all gonna rock yours with the lace lock. So this is a quick shot of what the 3M look like on the around the toe box. Not super bright, but you can see it. So let me know what y'all think about this pickup. If y'all feeling these, if y'all try to cop, if y'all cop, if y'all strike out, if y'all still waiting on them. Like this video, subscribe if you're new, and stay tuned for that on foot.
Perfect.